Welcome to the Earth Eats Test Kitchen. My name is Heather, and I'm here with Felix, and we are going to make some tasty toasties.
Heather, that sounds good. What are tasty toasties?
Well, let me show you.
Okay.
We're going to use rice cakes, cheddar cheese, some softened cream cheese, and some apple slices. It's really good. It's really good.
That sounds delicious.
You'll like it.
How do we start?
How do we start? Well, I'm going to get a little bit of cream cheese and put it in this bowl.
Okay.
It's nice and soft, so it's easy to add things to and smooth onto our rice cakes.
Yeah.
Okay.
And what is a rice cake?
A rice cake, look at this. Does it kind of remind you of popcorn?
Yeah.
And they come in different flavors. They're really good for you, really low in calories and fat.
What kind of flavor is this one?
This is just a plain one. It probably is a little bit caramel flavored, so it's perfect with our apples.
Yeah.
And it smells really good too.
Oh, yeah. Caramel apples reminds me of the fall.
Yes. Well, then you're in for a treat because you'll really like this.
Oh, good.
So to this little bowl of cream cheese, I'm going to add just a little bit of cinnamon because apples and cinnamon go together.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
And some honey.
And we know where the honey comes from.
Yes.
Yeah, the bees.
The bees. And there's a really nice local honey farm where you can go anytime and visit and watch the bees in action.
Where's that?
There's one not far from here right now. That's where I get my honey.
Cool.
So you smooth this together and blend it.
Okay.
Looks kind of goopy, but it's very tasty.
Yeah.
Just like that. Very easy.
Okay.
You could do it.
Oh,
Anyone could do it.
Yeah. You could do it.
Now I'm going to spread some of this on the rice cake.
Okay.
Very easy.
All right. Don't break it.
I won't break it.
Okay.
Just like that.
Oh, yeah. Very gentle.
Very gently.
Yeah.
And use about a tablespoon.
Okay.
That's
Yeah,
it.
that looks good, Heather.
It is good.
Yeah.
Now, I am going to chop you up a few really thin slices of apple.
Thank you. Okay.
Not big.
Yeah.
Thin.
Little. We know. Little. Felix likes little pieces. Yeah.
Perfect.
Oh, yeah. Oh, those are perfect, Heather. You're good.
Thank you, Felix.
Yeah.
Just like that.
Okay.
And now, for something different you probably weren't expecting, I'm going to put a little bit of cheddar cheese on top.
Cheese?
Cheddar cheese, because cheddar cheese is really good with apples.
Yeah.
So I'm just going to sprinkle a little on the top.
I wouldn't have thought to put cheese on my apples.
Oh, it's so good.
Yeah.
See, you're trying something new.
Yeah. We always try something new, huh, Heather?
Yes, we do.
Yeah.
Carrots on our pizza, that was something new.
Yo, that was good, yeah.
Raspberries.
Remember when we hid the broccoli?
Yes.
Yeah, that was good.
And that's all we do. And I'm going to pop this in the toaster oven for just about a minute to a minute and a half.
Okay.
Just until the cheese is melted.
Okay.
Well, Felix, I think time is up, and I think it's ready to take them out.
Oh, it's been 2 minutes?
It has been 2 minutes. Are you hungry? Are you
I
ready?
am starving. Yeah. Oh, these are gonna be some tasty toasties. Yeah.
You're really going to like the cheese with the apples.
Yeah. Oh, and we put honey too, didn't we?
We did, and cinnamon and cream cheese. Look at that.
Wow.
So nice.
Okay. Careful.
Ooh.
I don't want you to get burned.
Smells so good.
Yeah.
Kind of like a cheesy apple pie.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Very sweet.
You want to try some? I think it's ready.
Okay. Yeah. Just a little bit.
Just a little bit. Just a little taste.
Okay.
What do you think?
Heather, that is so tasty.
I'm so glad you like it. It was really easy.